How to fix Windows screen stuck on restarting. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can fix if your Windows screen is stuck on the restarting screen. So it might happen because of a few reasons, so I'm going to show you guys some quick fixes. So first thing you're going to have to do is use a keyboard shortcut. So you're going to have to press these keys together. Windows plus X plus delete. So you're going to have to press it all together. Windows X, and then you're going to have to press delete. Keep on pressing them for around 10 to 15 seconds, and it should automatically get you out of the restarting screen. If this doesn't work, then you're going to have to press Windows plus X, and then the power key. So if you're using a PC or a laptop, you'll have a power button on the top right corner of your keyboard. So you're just going to have to press Windows, then X, and then you're going to have to press the power button here. Keep pressing it and hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds again, and you should get out of your restarting screen. Your PC will reboot once. You're going to have to enter your password, and you should start working normally. Now, if you are on your laptop, if this doesn't work, then you're going to have to take out your battery if it's possible. So you just plug out all of your cables, just take out your battery, and then try to restart it. And once that is done, your PC should safely reboot. And once that is done, you're going to have to open up your command prompt. So go ahead and open up your start menu and then type in CMD. Run it as administrator, click on yes. Here you'll have to type in this command. So I've typed in this command right here. You can pause the video to see it, or you could just find it on the description. Then just hit enter. It will take some time to run this command, so just go ahead and press enter here. Now, once you have run the command, just close this out, restart your PC again, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.